Move out. Take your hard point. Safety's off.
Alright.
Alright. If you know.
Yeah, we can just cut through here.
Cut it right here. That's fine.
Let's get a little bit of muscle going.
Where's the rest of our guys?
Bailey, I'm gonna medic him. Alright? Behind you. Where's your dead rag or your medic man? Alright, take your kill rag off. Oh shit.
He's right behind that log. I only see one.
Yeah, I see.
Another one flanking right.
Right.
It sucks because I had the perfect angle that whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't move over those trees over there.
Alright. Go. Bailey, I'm gonna move right to you.
Careful, there's one right at my 12 o'clock, or my 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I know, I see him. What were you guys saying? Alright guys, pin him down. Just keep firing at him. Copy.
There's nothing at my 1 o'clock right now.
Alright. They're laying behind the logs. Push up.
They're assaulting.
Alright, Bailey, move up. We're pushing up. One down. Derek, push up. There is one enemy in the bunker. See green moving up. Enemies moving back to the bunker. Bailey, push up right side. Hit! What'd you say?
I'm gonna go run some recon off to our right.
Here, wait, take the other mag. There's not much left in that one. Just don't lose my mags.
I don't think I'll be needing them, but we'll see.
Just in case.
I'll be back.
Alright. Bunker's tan. Derek, fall back. 2 enemies coming in. They're tan?
Enemy! Enemy!
One down, left side.
Roger.
Bailey, he's hit. The guy on the left side's hit. Guy on the right side's not.
Here.
Charlie squad in contact. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Just put it on the ground right now. I'm gonna go up top.
I heard movement too. Yeah, I'll go up top.
What?
You going up top?
Yeah, I'll go up top. I got a longer scope. Oh, they're both dead.
They're both dead?
Yeah.
2 enemy KIAs at bunkers.
Yeah, door. All right.
Turn your light off.
They're right there. Ready?
Right in front.
Yeah, ready.
Hold back.
Go back, go back. I'm reloading.